In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale groups in Figma. This quick and easy guide is designed to help you master this essential skill in just 5 minutes, whether you're new to Figma or looking to refine your design techniques. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Figma. If you're not familiar, Figma is an incredible collaborative interface design tool that allows designers to work seamlessly with each other, no matter where they are in the world. It's versatile, user-friendly, and perfect for creating stunning designs. Once Figma is open, you need to log in. If you haven't already created an account, it's straightforward to do so. For those of you who already have an account, just click on Login at the top. Typing in your credentials will grant you access to the Figma dashboard, which is where we'll be doing all our design work today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on Figma's home screen. Your home base in Figma is where you can conveniently access all your recent files, create new projects, or manage your existing designs. It's a central hub for organizing your workflow efficiently. Next, you'll want to navigate to your design files. Look for your project under the Design section and click to open it. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a canvas filled with your design elements and where you'll be doing most of your editing and designing. Now let's talk about scaling groups. Click on either a frame or group within your design that you'd like to scale. Frames and groups are essential in keeping your design elements organized, allowing you to manipulate multiple items as a single unit. If you're unfamiliar with frames and groups, think of them as containers for your content, helping you maintain order in your designs. An important shortcut to remember is pressing the K key on your keyboard. This selects the Scale tool, one of Figma's nifty features for resizing objects while maintaining their proportions. It ensures your designs stay true to their intended aspect ratio, preventing any unwanted distortion. Once you've activated the Scale tool, head over to the Scale button in the interface. Clicking on this option will allow you to adjust the size of your selected frame or group. Drag your mouse to enlarge or shrink the object as you like, keeping in mind that Figma will intelligently scale your design while preserving its original look and feel. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to scale groups in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time experimenting with different scaling techniques to see how they affect your overall design. This skill is invaluable for creating responsive, adaptable designs that look great on any screen size. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Figma.